Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To determine if your dishwasher pump has failed, listen for unusual noises or check for water not draining properly after a cycle. If the dishwasher is silent or makes grinding sounds, the pump might be broken. Additionally, inspect the dishwasher's filter for clogs, as this can also hinder water drainage without indicating pump failure. If these signs are present and cleaning the filter doesn't help, the pump likely needs replacing.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.